What's up guys, Harsh here, back with a video, and today I have a special unboxing for you. So this is the most prestigious model I think that you can get from Bburago, and this is the Mercedes AMG F1 W12 E Performance 1:43 scale, and this is an official product by Mercedes. As you can see with the holographic logo, official original product by Mercedes. So this is the Mercedes F1 W12 with number 77, and obviously that belongs to Valtteri Bottas, and this car comes with an acrylic case and with a driver's helmet. So let's unbox it and see what we have here. So it just slides out like this, and we have the nice model of the car itself on a nice plastic base with an acrylic case, although it's a bit dirty, I don't know why, with some scratches also, so not that good I would say. So let's take it out of the case and see how well it is detailed, although I have an idea, but because it should be similar to all the other Bburago F1 diecast model that I have unboxed, so this should be pretty similar, but it is with a driver's helmet, so that would be the first time that I'm seeing one. And doesn't that look nice, you know, all black color with the red top and neon green accents. That's why I bought this model, and I had the car with Lewis Hamilton, so I thought maybe this time I'll try Valtteri Bottas so that I have a more diverse collection. So let's take it out of its base and see what you are dealing with. So it is just held by one screw at the bottom. You can use a screwdriver to take it out, and I don't have the right size, so I'm using a slightly bigger screwdriver. So here is the car. Now I will not go into the history of the car because, as always, the history of the car is available on the internet, but the quality of the car is not. So let's start with the front wing, and as always with the Bburago models, the front wing is made out of rubber or some very soft plastic, so it is bendable at times, and it is very nicely detailed with the Petronas logo and all, and at the front we have the AMG logo as well, and the nose core is also pretty nicely detailed with the Petronas logo, Tommy Hilfiger, Pirelli, and the Mercedes logo. Then we move to the, let's say, front axle. It is conjoined, so both the wheels are moving simultaneously with each other, as you can see, and these are medium compound tires, and I don't think Bburago makes any other car with any other tire type, so you will only get medium compound tire, which is the yellow ring tire. And if you want, I think, other colors such as the red, the soft tire, or the wet tire with the treads and all, then you will need to buy a Minichamps version or a Sparks version, I think. Then we have the number 77 for our driver Valtteri Bottas. He is one of my favorite driver. Then we have another Petronas logo at the front, and the halo this time is nicely detailed, as you can see. So what they have done is painted the halo for Valtteri Bottas in this color, which is, I don't know what it call, a greenish or bluish color, mostly greenish color. And the Lewis Hamilton is painted in purple color, so this helps them identify which car is which. And they also paint the top of the, so as you can see, this is the antenna, or I don't think this do some communication with the team and transmit the onboard video feed. And here is the biggest inconsistency with the Bburago models, because sometimes they paint them yellow in the correct way, or they don't paint it at all. So I don't know what their design team does with this, but if you are paying for a premium model, and this is a premium model because it comes with an acrylic case and the driver's helmet as well, so I think they should paint it yellow as well, because this is a very major detail that they miss. Now I have changed my camera settings so that we can look at the driver and the helmet. So it is very detailed indeed with all the markings and whatnot, so it is pretty well detailed indeed. And if you look from the sides, then you can also see it looks very accurate. It's almost as how they were able to fit this much detail in this tiny space, but obviously they are best at their job, I think. That's why they are in this business. So the driver's hand are on the steering wheel, which is also very detailed indeed with all the buttons and a little space for the screen, but it is not colored, so I think that's something that we can do so to make this model look even nice. And we can paint the top as well. So all in all, the helmet looks pretty good. We have the Petronas logo on the sides with the strip lines very accurately detailed. We have the side pods over here. They are pretty well detailed, I think, for the size and the price of this particular model. And here is the bottom portion with all the information about this model. So Bburago Mercedes AMG F1 W12 Performance 1 to 43 scale model, made in China, and this is the serial number, I think. Then if we move to the engine bay side, we have the infamous AMG logo written I don't know how many times, but I think it looks pretty nice, you know, although they could have written some other text just like this and that would have made sense, but I think this also looks pretty nice. And then we have the number written over here as well in red outline form, so number 77 on both the sides, as you can see, although this side looks like it's more visible than this one. I don't know why, maybe it's because of the way it is printed, but I don't know, you guys be the judge. Then on the floor we have some more text written, which is, I'm guessing it is the EQ Performance logo, or just the E in this case, so it is E Performance. Then we move to the rear wing, so pretty well detailed with the DRS flap cut out, but the DRS doesn't actually work, so it is a bit shame, but I would like a few models in which the DRS flap is open, so those models will be very nice to have in your collection. Then we have the hydraulic system that makes the DRS open and close, and on the sides we can see that there are some aerodynamics going on. So this, I think, isn't just design, it is to help with the aerodynamics of the car. And we have also the T-wing right in front of the back wing. So all in all, a pretty well detailed model with all the structural designs in place, and the suspension of the back of the car looks very nice indeed, and also at the front, although it could be a little bit better. As you can see, it is not actually connected to the wheels at all, it is just floating in mid-air for absolutely no reason. But at this price, I mean, what more could you expect? And the model does look really good indeed if you set it on the floor. So there it is, guys, the Bburago 1 to 43 scale Mercedes AMG F1 W12 Performance. I think you should have it for your collection, or if you want to just gift it as a toy to your children who are interested in Formula 1, because it is a pretty sturdy model. It will not break to a child's hand, although if your child is very naughty, then anything will break in his hand or in her hand. So thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe and share and our channel, and I will see you all later.